While in the middle of this global pandemic caused by coronavirus, voices of people calling on for reopening of social and economic activities is growing louder. With the number of positive cases across the country reaching 38,799 and with over 834 deaths, policymakers have to make difficult decisions on whether to reopen the country or not. Health experts in the country are preparing for the worst, as following the easing of the lockdown, people left their homes and drove to their favorite markets. The following footage shows people in these markets and commercial areas across the country. Many of these shoppers did not bother to follow the precautionary measures laid out by the healthcare experts. Shopkeepers as well as women with small kids were not to be seen with masks. We also decided to interview a few citizens to know more about their perspective on the current situation. Let's have a look. You also might have noticed, ever since the government announced the partial lockdown, people have flooded to the local markets. What do you have to say about that?
I think people themselves should understand the situation we are in. अभी भी अगर उनकी ईद की शॉपिंग इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन रिस्किंग मैनी लाइव्स तो आई एम सॉरी टू से वी कैन नॉट चेंज देयर मेंटालिटी.
Do you think the government's decision to ease the lockdown was correct? If yes, then why? And if no, then what should they have done?
Personally, I believe Imran Khan has done the best he could with the given situation. He said that people would either die of corona or poverty, so it seems like he had no choice, and he assumed that the public would take control of the situation and not leave their homes unless totally necessary, but we've all seen how that's gone so far.
Currently, the government had decided to close the country once again, following the sharp rise in positive cases. A 3-day lockdown has been decided by the government with strict punishments for citizens who are not abiding by this. It's up to the citizens to self-quarantine until a permanent solution is found. Reporter Alize Jafri, cameraman Muhammad Abdullah, this is news.